Welcome to Section 6, Getting Acquainted with Qt. In this first video, we're going to be setting up our first GUI project. And basically what we're going to cover is how to set up a Qt5 project while using CMake. And this is going to be specific to the code that's provided with this course. So let's open CMake and see what we need to do. Okay, so now I'm in CMake and I have my build directory and source directory selected for this course's code. And when you first configure this project, so when you hit configure, you're going to get an error, especially if you're on Windows. And this is because now that we're going to be using Qt5, CMake needs to know where it is on your machine. And by default, it's not going to know just like magically where to find the Qt5 project and the libraries and everything else that it needs. So because it can't find it, it's going to give you an error when it's trying to configure the project. And that's basically what it's telling us here, that it's looking for some specific package configuration files that CMake needs in order to use the package that we've requested, in this case Qt5, but it can't find them. So we'll have this variable here called Qt5dir, and this is the base directory for your Qt5 installation. So on my machine, it's on my C drive, then Qt, then I'll choose the latest version that I have, then the build. So we're using Visual Studio 2017, and I'm on a 64-bit machine. Then we go to the lib folder, then CMake, and then Qt5. And that's the folder that we want. So now when we hit configure and generate, now everything is good. And you'll notice that now we have these new paths here. So any GUI project that uses Qt5 requires the core module, the GUI module, and the widgets module. And the way that Qt is designed is it's, as you guessed, modular. So all the different parts of Qt includes a lot of libraries to do many different things. The core contains most of the backend functionality and stuff that you might need in an application, but the GUI and the widgets contain the stuff that you need to build front-end applications. So we can generate our project, and now we can go into Visual Studio. Okay, so now I'm in Visual Studio, and now we have this new project called Hello Qt5. So I'll set it as our startup project. It currently only has one file, our main.cpp, and we have some new classes in here now. So we're including the Q application class from Qt. So all classes in Qt5 start with a capital Q. So literally every class starts with a capital Q. And these, what we're including, are the include files. So you can just think of them as C++ headers. So we're including the declaration of the Q application class and the Q main window class. So the Q application class provides the execution loop for all the widgets and windows and so forth that are going to be shown in our application. So for any GUI project, you must have an instance of a Q application initialized before trying to show any front-end GUI. Now, a Q main window is just the main window of the application. It is a class given to you by Qt5, and you can inherit from this class and add to it, so on and so forth. But we have to instantiate our Q application class before the Q main window. So all we do is we make a Q application class, we create a Q main window, and return the execution result from the application. So this line will not execute, it won't be hit until after our main window closes. And in fact, it won't happen until all of the widgets and windows are closed in our application. So if we run this project, make sure it's selected, we can run this and see a basic Hello World style, just very plain window. And there it is. So what you see in the background is a command line window, a console window, which is what we've been working with throughout the course so far. So this will still pop up for now with our actual Qt5 GUI, but this is our first GUI application. So if you were able to make it this far, congratulations, you just set up your first GUI project.